You built the perfect Shopify store. The design is clean, your products are amazing, your prices are competitive, but your dashboard looks like a complete ghost town. Stop wasting time guessing. Beautiful design means nothing without the right traffic strategy. You don't need a massive budget, you just need a system. We packed 10 proven strategies into one step-by-step roadmap. It gives you an exact 30-day action plan. Week 1, build your foundation. Week 2, unlock compounding, free organic traffic from Google and Pinterest. Week 3 and 4, scale fast with micro-influencers and high RO. I-targeted ads without wasting a single dollar. Stop waiting for buyers to magically find you. Grab the Traffic Machine Blueprint right now at the link in the comments and start flooding your store with buyers today.